Good day, students. Welcome to a tutorial on Lightsailed. What is Lightsailed? Lightsailed is a literacy tool which encourages students like yourself to read by giving them relevant and appropriate text, all while it measures your reading improvement. Students can select from 80,000 non-fiction and fiction titles or books and take assessment as they read. Therefore, it measures your reading comprehension as you read. Okay? It is like an online library where you can get access to many books. The teacher can choose the books that you will read, or you can do that. The teacher will get an idea of how many books you are reading and can track your performance as you read. How do we access Lightsailed? First of all, go to Google Chrome or Internet browser. Click that. Okay, it opens up. In the address bar, click and type www.lightsailed.com. Enter that. As you can see, it's opening up. Let's be patient. Okay, when it opens, you will get this box. Please press the X here. I'm going to open it up so you can see, and press the login button in the top right hand corner. Press login. That opens up and you come across here. You are going to put in the username and the password provided by your teacher. And Henry, it is the first letter in your first name and your surname. And the teacher would have provided you with your password. Okay. Then you press enter. It will prompt you to create a new password. Use a very simple password that you can remember, and then you press save. Okay. You could decide to make it very simple, for your name, or whatever you wish. Okay, if you notice, it will open up. So do that. Then it opens up, right? You will come across this box. Please just press outside the box. Let me show you how. So you press outside that box there, and it will take you to the Lightsailed page. You come across the dashboard on this side where it says the Power Challenge. I will encourage you to please do the Power Challenge. Don't skip, begin it. That's the first thing you will do. Begin your Power Challenge, which will give you an idea of what your comprehension level is, and so your teacher will be able to see what your comprehension level is. If you notice, you will see all the books here that have been provided for you. Right here, you have the library. Right here, let me show you that. Right here, you have the library. If you open the library, you will get an idea of the many books, all of the books that are available in the library. If you press the arrow on the side, you see the many books available and in the different categories that they are available. Here you see the genre, and it will show you the genre that's available, all the books that are available. Quite a lot, students, I must say. If you go here, of course, sorry, it's my screen is not allowing me to show you, but if you continue downwards, there's an arrow on the right. Well, when you scroll down, you will see all the different genres. So here we have action and adventure, all about anthologies. There are many, many different genres. Okay, students, this is how you access Lightsailed. Thank you.